Excuse me, what day is it?
December 30th.
Are you sure it is winter?
Dunno, why would calendar lie to me?
No. Winter shouldn't be like this.
Screw this weather. I should have flown south like all normal storks.
Why you didn't?
Had some unfinished business left.
Yeah. Better take us with you next time. I'm so done with this. It's all mud and sleet. You can't fly anywhere, and there's no dry ground to land on either. I hate rain.
If only it was snowing.
Ah, even better. At least we don't have snow here.
Why are you happy about it? I wish the snow never melted. We would build a whole icy kingdom, and it would stand forever, like a mountain. Frost would draw such beautiful stuff on the lakes that no bird would be able to repeat. And then it will become dark quickly, and night will last forever. The northern lights will shine in the sky, and we will live the dream of touching them.
Why?
What do you mean, why?
Why would we dream of such hell?
It's not hell. It's Windside, where I was born and raised.
So be glad that you live here. It's not that bad.
Reshka, have you ever missed your homeland? I know, you aren't from this land.
If only someone waited for me there. No, my homeland is here.
Wait! Larissa! Where are you going?
I don't know.
Oh, I know! The fight with snowballs!
Or maybe we should build a snowy kingdom. Be my guest! Quick, before it collapses!
No, I don't want to fight with snowballs or build any kingdoms.
Oh, I know what you want. You want to go home. Come on, let's go! Welcome home.
No!
I don't understand.
Hey, Sandor?
Congratulations, Sprats.
Sandor, what are you doing?
Loading cargo.
Wait, so you're saying you're leaving? Right at New Year's Eve?
I don't decide when I must leave. That's my job.
I'm tired of this! Take me too! Back to Windside!
What now? Look at this yourself!
We accidentally caught a dolphin.
Put it back.
Swim back to your home. Swim while your family is still waiting for you, before it's too late. Don't you think the streets look empty?
They do. Who would want to go outside in such a bad weather?
Last year it was different. Completely different. Do you remember how the snow was so deep that we built a dungeon to hide from the cold?
Oh no, that was horrendous. It's all fun and giggles, but then you catch a cold.
Maybe we should be grateful that everything bad is in the past. And now we celebrate something that used to be the worst season of the year.
That's true, but is anyone ever going to celebrate now? New Year is not as good as before.
We are not as good as before.
Larissa was right. It wasn't supposed to be like this.
Then maybe we should go ask her what it should be like.
And what are you hoping for? Will she bring you snow from the North Pole?
Butch, shut up.
Or actually,
Oh, really?
You all understand that she knows better than anyone what winter should be like. The new year will be nothing without her. We will not celebrate without her. If she doesn't have time to fly to Windside, then Windside will come here. If we have no snow, let's use sand. No ice? We can use glass. Nobody will notice the difference. And when the sky turns black.
So how are we going to create the northern lights?
Humans will do it for us. I'm talking about fireworks.
Great plan! So before it gets dark, we will prepare. I'm going to bring the table and...
Hello? Or something?
Welcome to the Blue Quill!
Hey, Reshka, why? Why is everyone acting so strange here?
You see, we are a bit busy. It's a secret.
I see.
The next day, birds were preparing for the holiday. They decided to create a mini windside and surprise Larissa. It was already dark, so they had to hurry before the chime of bells.
What are you talking about? Hey!
Happy New Year!
Now watch this.
The city looks oddly empty today.
Everyone's busy. Everyone's celebrating with their families.
But why not you?
I don't have any, and I don't need either. Oh, look. Another lonely seagull.
That's Sandor.
Sandor, you're still here. I thought you sailed away.
No, I decided to stay. And let me show you why. Welcome home. Here, you have snowbirds made of sand. And totally real ice. I know those trees don't grow in Alaska, but we couldn't find anything better.
What's about those?
I don't remember when last time we properly celebrated New Year. Everyone has put in a share of their efforts to recreate this place. Would be wonderful if it summoned real snow, too. I'm sorry that you didn't manage to make it home this year.
I don't need to. I'm already home. I still have plenty of other years to see Windside again. It won't disappear without me, but friends, real friends, exist only for a moment. This is amazing. Thank you.
Are we going to eat or no?